So sources of ethanoic acid and ethanoic acid. So we are saying methanoic acid is obtained from stings of ants and ethanoic acid is present in vinegar. So I was saying that it doesn't mean that methanoic acid is only present in the sting of ant and ethanoic acid is only present in vinegar. It can present in different sources, but a main source is for methanoic acid is stings of ants and the ethanoic acid is for vinegar. Okay, that point is clear about the sources of a main sources. We can say the word we are using, a main sources of both of them. Now, preparation of ethanol from ethene. Okay, here we are dealing with the ethene. In industry, ethanol is also prepared from ethene. When ethene reacts with steam in the presence of phosphoric acid, ethanol is produced. Okay, we are saying that in industry, in industrial level, ethanol is also prepared from ethene. What is ethene and what is ethanol? We will say here, look at there. Ethene is this C2H4, it is called ethene, right? Plus steam, water. Actually, steam means, for example, you have some water and you start boiling. Once the water starts boiling, so the water starts evaporation in a sense of steam. Okay. Now, in the presence of H3PO4 phosphoric acid, we get ethanol. This is called ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay, right. Now we have another slide. Dehydration of ethanol. The next topic is about dehydration of ethanol. Look at there, boys. What is the word dehydration? Hydration means addition of water. Dehydration, removal of water. I'm repeating again. Hydration, if I can remove the first two letters of this word, it means a hydration of water. Hydration means addition of water. Dehydration means removal of water. Increase, decrease. IN and DE. This is the word. Decrease means something is lessing. Increase, something is increasing. Okay, DE. Whenever we use the word DE, it means the removal, or you are going to lower level. Okay, or removal. So dehydration of ethanol. We are saying that we can remove the water from ethanol, in other words. Okay. Now we will check here, conversion of ethanol into ethene by removal of water from, it is called dehydration of ethanol. We are saying conversion of ethanol into ethene. How we can convert ethanol into ethene? With the help of removal of water from, it is called dehydration. So that one is called dehydration. Even you can say that the heading itself explains their meaning. Okay. Now the reaction is given below. Okay, on the one figure we can get the whole picture. That is, this is the ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay. Ethanol, I already discussed with you in the previous lectures that OH is present. You can say that belongs to the alcohol family. OL, look at there, OL. Okay. So ethanol, right? Now dehydration, I just, even you can write minus H2O, minus H2O, same meaning here. Dehydration means removal of water. Here it will conduct removal of water. The condition is that then you can get ethene, C2H4. Look at there, boys. If you can observe here, one H is there, O and L. If you can you can just subtract one H, then 2H and O. Look at 2H and O, H2O, that is water. Okay, dehydration is a simple thing here. C2H4 is 18, it is called water. Everyone know that. So water formula, right? So now we cover up a simple and it's important topic, dehydration of ethanol. It's an important, keep in your mind. Another thing, boys, chemical reactions of alcohol. Now in the next slides we will discuss one by one about their chemical reactions of alcohol, that is called combustion, oxidation, and esterification. Okay, one by one, not now, one by one, but these are the main headings in our next working days. Okay, now on big time we will discuss, today we discuss about the preparation of, look at there boys, in the first slide, preparation of ethanol. Okay, preparation of ethanol, the first topic is about the sources of methanoic acid, ethanoic acid. The second topic is about ethanol. Okay, and the next topic, that is the last one today, this is called dehydration of ethanol.